Today I am making tiger bread. First we need to make a yeast mixture. To do that we will first measure out and add to a bowl 1 3/4 teaspoons of instant yeast, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 cup of warm water and 1 1/2 teaspoons of sugar. Now we have to stir a little bit to mix it up, and afterwards we'll wait 10 minutes to see if the yeast is activated. You'll be able to tell if it is activated because there will be bubbles in the mixture. The yeast mixture should look like this after 10 minutes. Now that the yeast has activated, we will add 2 1/4 cups of flour to a mixing bowl, along with 1 teaspoon of salt and the yeast mixture. Now, either using your hands or an electric mixer with a dough hook attachment, start to knead the mixture. If there is flour stuck to the sides, you can scrape it into the mixture, like so. Continue mixing until the dough has become a fine texture. The mixture should look like this when it's done. Lightly oil a bowl. Transfer the dough from the mixing bowl to the oiled bowl. Use cling film to cover the bowl. Cover it with cling film like so, and then leave in a warm place for 1 hour. I left it in this microwave because there's a timer function. While the dough is rising, I prepare the tin by putting a bit of baking paper into it, like so. I put some weight onto the baking paper to make it so that it will stay on the tin, like so. I'm using 2 jars here. After the hour is done, pour the dough into the tray you have prepared. Evenly spread the dough along the tin, like so. Crack an egg into a bowl and beat it. Once you have beaten the egg, pour into the dough and egg wash. Spread evenly along the dough. Bake in an oven for half an hour at 200 degrees Celsius. Leave to cool and then slice when cooled. The bread is now cool, so I'm going to slice it now.